Gata? Welcome my friends to another fun vlogmas and into my kitchen. Today we are cooking gingerbread, homemade gingerbread, but not really made from zero. We are going to use some ready-made dough that I bought from Ikea. If you remember, I have a video about me going to Ikea and buy all kinds of sweet and this gingerbread dough. And we are going to use this to cook gingerbread. This is the first time I do this at home and I hope it's going to be fun. Helping me in this endeavor is this mulled wine I did earlier and it's very good. You should try the recipe, watch the video with this recipe. It's very, very good. Apart from this, I have my partner that is filming today. Let's make some gingerbread. We are going to cut this and see what is inside. I never bought this before. So this is the dough. You should leave this at room temperature to be soft. And you should use some flour. Let's use some flour. I think it's enough. And now we should mix this with this flour until it's very moist. A couple of minutes later and a lot of help from my partner, the dough should look like this, so it should stick together. You have to really work on it to stick together, but eventually should work like this. So now you should have something to help you spread the dough. So I have this. We don't usually cook at home, so we use all kinds of objects we have in the home just to make it work. So we try to spread this into a thin layer. Not very easy to do. And at the end, you should have something like this.
Lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, ho, ho.
Cook. I just took a little dance because this mulled wine is very, very good, but also very strong. So when you do mulled wine at the home, these are the effects. So expect a lot of joy and happiness and a lot of dance in your house if you are drinking a whole bottle of mulled dry wine. I really hope this gingerbread affair works out. We are going to decorate the gingerbread. I can hardly wait. If you remember from my previous video, I also bought this at Ikea. I'm not much of a cook, but this is what the pandemic will do to you. Would take you out of your comfort zone, make you do vlogmas, film every day, and put it on the internet. I hope you will enjoy it. So the gingerbread is ready. It looks like this. Very nice for a first attempt. Let's see if they are cooked. Being the first time, I have no idea whatsoever. They are cooked. So I left them like 10 minutes, not 5 minutes, 10 minutes just to be sure. And they are very cooked. Now we are going to take them and put it on something nice. Careful because they are very hot. Guys, this is the final product. I didn't have much inspiration, but my partner saved the day. I especially like this Christmas tree. I really like this one, and also this star. And all in all, I think it was a beautiful first attempt at baking this gingerbread at home. So let's taste it to see how it tastes. Not that bad. I mean, for a ready-made dough, it's pretty good. I mean, you can eat this. Please leave it in the comments what you think about our attempt, and I hope I will see you in my next video tomorrow, because in the month of December we have one video a day. Please subscribe and please subscribe and take care. Bye.